Get ready for this comfort food.
The chicken wing, a classic. Basic ingredients, spice, if you like hot sauce, butter. I'm gonna show you one quick recipe I like to use on chicken wings. We're gonna cook them naked tonight. Let's get after it. Boom!
Step one, get those wings in a bowl, get yourself one lime and squeeze it, covering the entire bowl full of wings. Next, we're moving on to spicing our wings up. We've got a whole bunch of stuff in here like garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper. The recipe for the spice mixture is going to be in the comment section. Let's move on and give these a really good solid mix. Once we've done that, let's layer in some more spices. Then we're going to move on to mixing these again. You can never have enough spice on these wings. It's easy on the salt though. As you're mixing, make sure you twist and swirl to start coating the wings as much as possible with the lime juice and with all of our spice flavors. Add one final layer of spice and then one final mix. When this is done, we're going to wrap them and set them inside the fridge for 1 hour and let them really absorb all of those flavors. Okay, marinating time is over. Let's lay them flat in our rack, or if we're going to be putting them in the oven, we can use a pan there too. Just when you think we've spiced them enough, we're going to add another sprinkle on top before they get in the oven.
They are getting there. A few more minutes and we're going to be crispy. They look fantastic though. They smell, of course they smell great.
Okay, so while the wings are in the air fryer getting nice and crispy, we're going to prepare our garlic mayo. The recipe is also on the channel. Basically, we're mincing garlic. We're adding 3/4 of a cup of mayo, about a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a few tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Mix this up really, really well. Then we're going to cover it up and put it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes so it gives it time to set.
Okay, everybody, our chicken wings are done in the air fryer, but we're just getting started with this flavor. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting half of these aside in a bowl. That way I can really absorb and taste that flavor that I've added in there with those spices, which I'm going to have in the comments for you as well. I've got a whole mixture in there of my spice, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper for some extra kick. I believe I have some thyme, oregano, but I'll put it all in the comments in there of everything that I've used for this flavor tonight. I've also squeezed in one whole lime because I really like that flavor. Now for the fun part. The second half, what we're going to be doing tonight is we're going to melt some butter in a pan. We're going to pop in the wings. We're going to add in some Frank's Red Hot sauce for some extra kick. I think you guys know that saying. We put that on everything. Let's get to it. These are going to be good. I can smell these already. You know what? I'm going to just try it anyways. I mean, come on. I've got to try it. You know what? Just like this. These are amazing. They really are. Well, let me ask you something. What's the worst possible outcome when you're having comfort food? This isn't a trick question. What's the worst possible outcome you could have when you're having comfort food? Is that it doesn't freaking comfort you. This is going to bring a smile from freaking ear to ear, baby, because these wings are great. I know you go to a restaurant sometimes and someone says, try something different. You'll really enjoy it. You're looking for, it's going to be good. Don't worry, have it. And you get the meal or you get your appetizer, you get the wings. You get 3 little bony ass wings on a plate. And it didn't satisfy you. It didn't give you that comfort you were looking for from the comfort food. These wings are going to give you a lot of comfort. Forget the fact that I bought them at the grocery store when they were 30% off. These wings are juicy, plumpy. They're crispy on the outside, that flavor because we marinated them in the fridge for an hour with the lime juice. Everything comes together. I haven't even busted out that garlic aioli sauce that I made too. That recipe's on the channel, but I made it for you again. You'll see it in this video, I'm sure. It's freaking amazing. So I'm going to finish this one and then I'm going to get to the stove. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Wow. That's so good.
Okay, we've set aside half our wings. Now the other half, we're going to be kicking it up a notch. Take a chunk of butter, get it in the pan, let it start melting and sizzling. Once that's done, we're going to take the other half of our wings, add them right into that butter. Let them get nice and coated. And here comes the boom. By the boom, I mean the Frank's Red Hot sauce. We put that on everything, don't we? Mix this up and really let it try and absorb the flavors of the butter and the Frank's Red Hot sauce. Give them a shake, give them a mix, and let them settle in there anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. We're letting those wings sizzle and reduce down in that great sauce.
Okay, wings are done. What you'll notice here though is I'm going to be putting these guys in a bowl for a second. I want you to see up close what these guys look like. Check this out. Tilt that enough. The camera can get a good look. We'll come up closer. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm putting them in a bowl because all this extra sauce, what I'm going to be doing with it after is I'm going to put the wings in the bowl. I'm going to take the wings out once they've drained a little bit. Then I'm going to be taking some raw chicken, putting it in that sauce and letting it marinate overnight. What do you think that's going to do? It's going to absorb a lot of flavor from the wings that we had in there, all those spices, a little bit of butter, of course, probably a lot of butter, and the hot sauce. So that means we're going to have some really good marinated chicken tomorrow. Okay, everybody, there you have it. We've got some beautifully air-fried chicken wings, some of them in butter and hot sauce as well. Check out the channel. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share. You'll see it in the comments and the description, all the spices that I use for these wings. We cooked them, like I said, naked tonight. That means no breading because we're trying to be healthy. Okay, as is customary here in Uncle Drew's kitchen, the last thing we have to do today is give these a taste test. I have a feeling they're going to be fantastic. Remember, if you took one thing away from watching this video, is when you're making your comfort food, make sure it's going to comfort you. Because there's no bigger disappointment than making comfort food and saying, I skimped a little bit on the butter, I skimped a little bit on the oils, I didn't fry it, I didn't do this, I didn't do it. Make sure you are comforted, because this is going to put a grin from ear to ear on my face, baby. Boom! I'm missing one thing, and then I thought about it. What am I missing? I'm missing a tall boy here. I'm missing a tall boy here because wings only go good with one thing. So let's get that poured up. And I can assure you, this guy, look at that. I say that's a good pour. Beauty. Okay. Let's get in these. I'm already confused as to which one's hot and which one's not. I think those are the hot guys. So let's get in it. I'll even give it a little dip into our aioli sauce here. Oh yeah. You gotta try these. Boom! Ooh, baby, those are good. Man. Yep. That's comfort food, because that's a smile from ear to ear, brother. Boom! Oh, these are so good. Delicious.
These wings were absolutely delicious. The spice mixture was bang on. The hint of lime in there was spectacular. And the garlic mayo sauce was impeccable. A great combination. I really hope you try us. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Boom! Are you still watching? Go to the grocery store and buy some wings, get these spices all mixed up and make them. This is going to be the best comfort chicken wing that you've had in a long, long time. Boom.